Sure. Yeah. Already recording. Sorry, forgot to record. Okay, so yeah, if you have any question, just text on the chat box for me to know it. I have a I was always struggling to identify chalk. Could you please run the small backtest section here today so we can see how you do it? The 5 minute scapping. Sure. We can do that. We can. What are the weekdays where I have the most chance to see impulsive move? Uh, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Mostly in that day, there will be a lot of movement. Can can you explain how to draw an order block with candle to select to draw it properly, please? But we can. I think I will answer all the question by doing the back testing. So just this will be easier for you guys to see. So for example, I will do the Australian US dollars back testing. If you guys want, so or you guys can like recommend me a pair that I can do back test because I don't know. Some people told me that this strategy is good on Bitcoin as well. So I don't really know about that. So do you guys have any suggestion on what pairs, what text label do you use? Here, just symbol this, and here is a setting template. Just normal setting here. The label here, just normal setting like this, and I save it as a template. My struggle is when have. So if you have, for example, two order blocks, for me, I think if you watch my videos, I always choose an order block that near the key level. And if I have two order block, and if you want to scalp, I think you can wait for chalks in both of the order block and just scalping in both trade. So that technically symbol like that. So just let's do some back testing on could you please remove the watch list? Okay, so let's do some back testing. For example, I want everyone to know if you understand the strategy. So can you tell me where's the high and the low in this example? Like, can you show me the highs and low? And what is the structure? Yeah, you can draw on the chart. No, that is not the high and low. Yeah, Eduardo, you correct. This is the high and the low. Very correct. So this is the high and this is the low. So if you understand my strategy, for example, the market is used to be in bearish structures, and if you want to looking for long, you need like two high. So we got one high here, and if you want to get a second high, you need like another bracket structure. So technically, we got one high already. So this could be the high here and the low here. See the question. I'm confused about stock market open time in London. You need to check the time. Like I don't know what is the UTC in London, but if you can check the time For example, in China, for example, it's UTC +8. So you just +8 hours, stuff like that. So you need to check by yourself. I cannot help you about that. Okay, so as you can see here, we got the first high. And if you want to looking for long, you need to get a second high. So, and as you can see here, we got the second high here. So therefore we can looking for long. However, my strategy is like this. The first break of structure, the first candle break is impulsive. However, I need a consecutive impulsive candle, something like this. And if I want to risk normally, I need like consecutive candles, which is around like this. So this one right here is only one impulsive candle, and the second one is start to retrace already. So it should be the best if we reduce the risk in this situation. And also I use the, if you know, I use a FIBO function. And if you want to looking for long, the price need to retest the discount area. So the price already retested. So we got good to looking for long. So that is a normal market structure analysis. About the 1 hour time frame, it's simple. You need to do two things: clear break of structures and key levels. What happened? Key levels. So for the key level, it should be, if you want to looking for key level in a long situation, you need to looking for a key level that is near the fall or low. So that is the reason why I tell you that identify highs and lows is very important in my strategy. So in this strategy, this would be the key level that I want looking at, something around like here. The key level, something around like here. And the clear break of structure, this could be something like here. So for about the order block point interest, I already tell you like the criteria that I would choose in the POI. For me, if you want to looking for long, you want to looking for a POI that like below the break of structure line, which is here, and near or inside the key level, and have impulsive candle. And as you can see here, we got a very good POI right here because it's below the break of structure line, have impulsive candle, and also it's near or inside the key level is okay. So this will be the POI that I would choose, the 15-minute POI that I would choose. So for the scalping one, and most people really interested about it, you need to wait for the price to come back to the POI like this one. And the price come back to the 15-minute POI. You move back to 5-minute time frame, and you're looking for a chalk. So for me, a chalk is like, for a chalk, you need to have impulsive candle as well to identify as a chalk. So this is a high, and this is a low. So let's see. Here. High here, low here. Okay, so we have a chalk right here. High here and low here. So we have a chalk right here. And as you can see here, it's just normal basic stuff. Got a chalk already, put stop loss below this. And for the aim, you can aim for the previous equal high or sell side or buy side liquidity, which is around this area or right here, or 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. And yeah, this is just like simple technique to, and as you can see here, we are in the trade already. And yeah, and that is how you got a 1 to 5 risk reward ratio, just simple as that. A chart is like a change of characters. It's like the POS, but the reversal. So as you can see here, this is a chart because Like the market is like in the smaller time frame structures, we got like a bearish structure, and then boom, the price go up. So this is a chalk. It's just like a break of structures, but this is a reversal like addition about. So it's, yeah, it's just like the reversal change. It's just very simple stuff. Yeah, so as you can see, a lot of people told me that my courses is not long enough, but yeah, it's just simple stuff. You know, you don't need to make it difficult to understand. It's just basic and simple stuff. You need to follow all these steps to do the strategy, and yeah, it will become profitable. The POI in the last red candle, that is the order block. Could you please elaborate on finding the highs and the low? Okay, so it's quite simple actually. Quite simple. So I move my high and low in the 4-hour time frame. If there is a body breakup structures, for example, so we got a body breakup structure here. So I move my high here, my low here, and my high here. And this is the first low. And if you want to looking for short, you need to get the second low, symbol like that. Can you please take an example of US 30 or S&P? Okay, so okay, let's looking for some S&P maybe. S&P. Oh, S&P. Let me see. What the fuck? Wait, sorry. Can I? Yeah, POI. POI can be both order block or breaker block. So you need to watch the video in the. Okay, so let's do US 30 for example. Okay. Okay, so for example, let's see just for example. Okay. SPX. Oh shit. Sorry. I don't really trade index, so I don't really know. Okay, so let's choose this one for example. Maybe we can do some small backtest section to show you like the strategy in normal. Okay, so example, we will do it from January, for example. Backtest section, perfect. Okay, so so can you guys give me like what is the structures at the moment? Should we looking for short, long, anything? Just to check on the chat. I want to see if you guys have like enough knowledge about it. I want to see. Yeah, uptrend. Yeah, uptrend. Could you please text on the chat? Like I want to see if long. No, not long. Wrong. Yeah, quite. It technically is short already because we got the break of structure right here. Yeah, and then we got another break to the outside. So this is the first low. So yeah, I mean that is the reason why second high low, we need second low. Yeah, wait for second break exactly. So we don't looking for anything at the market at the moment. So let's see. Not yet. Impulsive break. For me, let me see. For me, this move here is called a liquidity move. So if I got like the impulsive break like this, most likely I will looking for long already. And sorry. And as you can see here, we got like the price come back to the discount area, so we can looking for a long now. So let's move back to the 1 hour time frame and looking for key level. So key level here, clear break of structures here. So let's move back to the 15-minute time frame to identify order block. Let's see, you can see this one right here is good. Let me see. I would prefer this one right here, because as you can see below the break of structure line near the key level, and also have impulsive candle after it. So let's see, move back to the 5-minute time frame, do some scalping in the market. Okay, so quite a decent one. I think not the impulsive break that I like, but I think I will choose this one right here as my entry. I think I will choose this one as my entry. Below this, for the aim, you'll be able to aim for this one right here, 1 to 5. Maybe this one. So let's see. Yeah, so technically it's not hit anymore, so I would not. So most likely I would not enter on this trade anymore. So let's see more structure. Okay, so first low. Wait for the second low if you want looking for short. Not really yet. Okay. Oh, I think I can looking for a long now. Too fast, sorry. So we got the second low. So what do you guys think about this market? Should we enter this market? I want to hear your opinion. Anyone, please? What do you guys think about this market? Oh, sorry. What do you guys think about this market? Should we enter in this market? For me, too fast, but respect, wait, strong rejection. For me, I still enter this market. However, because of the big wick rejection here, like a big wick rejection here, I would reduce my risk to 0.5%. So that is my opinion, and it's retest the premium area as well. So you can looking for short. So let's do the key levels. Key levels should be technically here. Key level. Break of structures would be here. Should be here. Looking for 15-minute POI. And I will choose this one right here. My POI. So let's see if got any retrace. Okay. Okay, so let's Okay, so let's wait for a chart to appear. Okay, so we have a chart here. So I think I can looking for long or for short here. And yeah, aim for like this. And aim, this one is enough, I believe so. 1 to 5 enough. So let's see. Oh, so as you can see here, we in this trade right here, most likely we are in break even already. So let's see. Yeah, so this trade got break even. Sadly, it's moved 3 hours, but yeah, it's break even. No more trade, no more trade because I don't trade technically in the market anymore. So like because I got out break even, so I don't trade at this market anymore. So let's see. So it's push up, create the first high. So let's see. We are not looking for a long yet until the second, so no high. So this is okay. So still looking for a short. Let's see. Short here. So we can wait for it to come back to the 50% area. So let's see. Okay. Short here. Okay, so let's see. The price come back to the premium area. So we can looking for short now. Go back to the 1 hour. Back to the 1 hour time frame. Find a key level. This one is a good key level actually. Key level. Break of structure here. Move back to 15-minute time frame. Order block. And key level. So okay, so which one will you use? Any suggestion? I mean, there only one here to use. If you watch my video, of course, but do you have any suggestion for me? Not exactly. I would choose this one. No, this one. This one is the best option actually, because for me, if there is an order block or point interest that is near the key level, not inside the key level, I would choose that. So I would prefer this one better. Would prefer this one better. Small POI right here. So let's see if it retest. Okay, so it's retest key level now. So let's see how it's react to this key level. Higher low here. Breakthrough. And got a small chop as well here. So I got a small chop as well here with 15 POI. So I think I can enter in on the shop this situation. But yeah, most likely, I don't know. Maybe I will put up above this high right here for the aim. Let me see. Make the aim for the previous equal low, which is this one right here. Let's see. So as you can see here, our entry got hit. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, So as you can see, we got the first win in January, but yeah, as you can see, like this scalping strategy is it's not generate a lot of trade, but it got a very high risk reward ratio and got a decent win rate, I believe so. Yeah, first win. Yeah, first win. First win after, I don't know, 20 days. Take a long time, but yeah, it's still okay, I believe so. So, ooh, damn. Great explanation. Thank you. So we got high here, break structure here, high here, low here, high here. Yeah, high here. Let's see. Break to the downside. The wick need one more. Okay, so let's see. Let's come back to the 50% area. No. Okay. No. Oh. Do you think we still in the for me, this is the reason why I told you like the candle impulsive is, so the first candle break is impulsive, but the last candle show like strong rejection. So for me, I still enter the trade, but I reduce the risk to 0.5%. If I risk 1% normally, so I still enter the trade, but my risk could be very small. So let's move back to some 1 hour. Break even at 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Mostly it would be 1 to 3. How reliable are 1 minute order block? I suggest you to practice trade on the 5 minutes first because 1 minute is quite hard, like for beginners. So if you can master the 5 minute, would you prefer the intraday? Yeah, the intraday strategy is good, but I like scalping more because it's got more confirmation and it's got a very high risk reward ratio. So I would prefer scalping more technically. Okay, so simple. You got the structures, you move back to 1 hour. You identify key level, which is around this area right here, key level. And you move back to the clear break of structure as well. And then we'll move back to the 15-minute time frame to identify a POI. So, okay, so another question. What is the POI in this situation? It's time to learn, practice a little bit. Remember, you need to identify a POI that is above the break of structure line, impulsive candle, and near the key level. There are 3 criteria for that, but most of you guys always forget about it for some reason. Only 3 criteria. Remember that. So for me, no, there is a better one. Yeah, exactly. This one right here, correctly. There is a better one right here. Why? Because as you can see here, like it's got impulsive candle above the break of structure line and near the key level. I would prefer near better than inside the key level. This one is good, but I would prefer near the key level, not inside the key level. Repeat. Okay, for a short. Okay, so for a short example, you want a POI that is above the BOS line, have impulsive candle, near or inside the key level. But I would prefer near the key level. Now we are. So yeah, that is just technically it. Yes, it's recorded and I will send it to you guys later on. Okay, so that is technically it. So we wait for the price to come back to this POI. We move back to the 5-minute time frame. We'll move back to the 5-minute time frame and we scalp the market. High here, low here. So let's see. Okay, so we got the POS to the downside now. So I was looking for here. This is chalk line, chalk sell, and about this one. So for scalping, you want to aim for a minimum of 1-to-4 risk reward ratio. Okay, minimum of 1-to-4. So maybe I would aim around this one right here, 1-to-5, 1-to-6, 6, around right here. So let's see on this trade if it's hit. So as you can see here, we are in the trade right now. And we already break even already in this trade. We break even on this trade, and let's see if it's hit take profit. And it's hit take profit for 1-to-6. So as you can see here, we got two trades and 1-to-6, 1-to-6. So we got 12R in a month with S&P 500. I mean, I don't really trade on index, but it's work on any kind of instrument as well if you practice it enough. So yeah, that is just the simple and normal strategy on the S&P 500. I think I will end the section 5 minutes from now. Do you have any question? Break even after 3. Do you think it's good? No. Do you think it's good to aim 50% of order block? No, because in 5-minute POI, the price went, because in the 5-minute time frame, the price went very fast. So I don't think it's a good idea to aim for 50% of the order block. Go. Maybe next next week, I will do go. UCAT will keep entry as we review it. Maybe next week, or I will send you some. I will send some POI and chart analysis later on. Why do you choose 4RR minimum instead of the? Because in the scalping strategy, I think that for scalping, sometimes you would lose a little bit. So if you aim for higher risk reward ratio, and if your win rate is not 60%, I mean, if your win rate is 40 to 50%, 1-to-4 risk reward ratio can give you a lot of profit. Okay, understand. 72. Thanks. Break even. So I understand now. This was very full. Thank you. What is your real name, man? I don't like refer you. You can call me FX Money Mate. Really, I don't think like anyone will like my name actually. But yeah, I'm a Vietnamese. You know that I study master in UK. So that's all the information that you can know. Normal. This is normal weekend time. Do you do the Zoom? Yeah, technically. Just suggest the pair to trade. I don't suggest any pair. And as you can see here, I don't trade S&P 500, but it's still profitable with my strategy. So Mr. Nguyen, yeah, Mr. Nguyen, yeah. How long have you been trading? 4 years, 3 year profitable. Please review. I think I will review next week. Send us some Vietnamese roll. Yeah, I agree. Vietnamese food are the best. I agree for the best. I agree. I mean Thailand. Oh, Thailand, beautiful country. Prefer Vietnamese food. Yeah, it tastes good. So I think I will end the section here, and I will upload this recording in YouTube. So I will see you guys next week then. How to pass easy to F. Thank you. Yes, thank you. I will see you guys next week.